Hello everybody, it is Jordan Yates, and today I am at Westermo in the US location in Chicago with Simone Bini, who is from Blu Wireless. Simone, say hello.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, everyone.
We're excited to have him here because Blu Wireless and Westermo have a very unique partnership and a lot of solutions that overlap where they're able to expand and help their customers in different ways than they would have been able to without Blu Wireless. So can you tell us about how the relationship between Blu Wireless and Westermo began?
The partnership was born out of, I would say, natural causes because of the complementary products that we offer and the markets we serve, specifically for rail.
Yes.
So the strong position of Westermo in the market with switching technology and backbone elements for the train, and the capabilities of Blu Wireless millimeter wave technology paired together can really enable a match made in heaven, I would say, for any rail customer that really wants to improve connectivity and reliability of the communication platforms aboard trains.
Yeah, I mean, if rail is already their bread and butter and where Westermo excels, like you said, if it's a complementary solution, it just kind of came together and made sense. Now, before we actually started recording, I was asking you, what is something cool about Blu Wireless? What is a good thing that you'd want to tell your potential current customers?
Absolutely. So obviously for many, many years so far, connectivity, especially starting from passengers Wi-Fi on trains, has been a major issue. One of the key drivers moving forward for taking cars off the street to convince people to finally get on board trains is to actually make them available the possibility to work while riding a train.
Yeah.
Just as of yesterday, before joining you guys here today, I was riding the first Gigabit train in the world, which is deployed and commercially in service on Caltrain in California. So as you can imagine, the Silicon Valley is full of people that demands bandwidth, literally.
Yeah.
Tech guys that are bandwidth angry. So you need to provide a reliable service. And a couple of years ago, Caltrain electrified and improved their service. And part of that project was to finally fix connectivity for passengers.
And you guys are coming to America, and I feel like something that has been very beneficial to the American customer base is that they have all this historical knowledge from years and years of doing it abroad, and now you guys are bringing a lot of the technology here.
So Blu Wireless is a British-based company,
Okay.
Based out of Bristol, and so the technology was invented there. And the problem with connectivity on rail is actually a problem that affects 99% of the rail networks worldwide.
Wow.
There's technical constraints, there's cost, there's issues with the 5G coverage. And that issue is really, it's effectively a global issue of a global planet.
Yeah.
So when Blu Wireless set out to build LightningBlu, which is the name of our solution, we designed the solution to fix any pain point for a rail company to deliver high bandwidth connectivity at the most affordable, in the most affordable way. And that's what we started. And Caltrain was the perfect project, but obviously this is matched by project we have in the UK and in Spain as well deployed today.
Yeah, no, I love to see, like you said, this is a global issue, so we're creating global solutions. And I think between Westermo, Blu Wireless, and your partnerships there, clearly people are becoming happy with this solution.
So I was speed testing. Obviously, I traveled through the whole length of the Caltrain from San Jose to San Francisco, downtown San Francisco. And obviously, it was during rush hour. So train with passengers moving at speed. And I kept speed testing. At some point, this guy sitting next to me just out of the blue asked me, why you keep speed testing? What's your problem? And I explained that I was from Blu Wireless, the company that actually built the solution. And when we got to his station, he stood up, he thanked me for providing Wi-Fi, and he actually said, before Caltrain launched this service, I never considered taking the train to go to work.
Yeah.
And this is exactly, we're not just doing another technology. We are building a technology that works, that actually fix a proper problem.
You guys have found a way to make it better. And so I think that is just a testament to Blu Wireless and the values here at Westermo and why you guys work so well together. Is there anything else that you would want to tell people about Blu Wireless?
One of the reasons I'm here today is to meet Antonio and all the team and build together a common strategy, because our trackside technology to provide bandwidth paired with the technology that Westermo already built and provide to train manufacturers and train companies can further expand and accelerate our, obviously, go-to-market strategy. But at the end is going to enable us to serve more and more customers and really see where we go next.
Well, if you haven't heard of Blu Wireless before, I'm glad that you have now, because them and Westermo will be doing great things in the future. So be sure to connect with him, follow their company, and keep up with whatever they do next, because it will probably be really exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, everyone.